Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. Alright, so we've got two different ways to do that, by using a secret code and with the usage of the settings. And I'd like to start with the settings, so I can show you longer way, however it will be useful for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings, tap on About Phone. Right here we have to scroll down to the detailed info and specs, and here let's go to the status. As you can see, we've got this model section. Let's enter and the serial number will appear right here. So this is how to check it by using the settings, so you will always be able to use it. And then I can show you, right now I can show you the secret code, so it is the fastest way. However, the settings will be useful if you will, for example, forget about the secret code. So the code for it is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.